So I'm not sure if this is going to help anybody or not, but my washing machine here was doing everything fine until it got to the spin cycle. It would just buzz and wouldn't drain anything. So took it all apart. Come to find out, long story short, right here in the water pump, in the inlet valve here in the inlet tube, there was actually a sock that had gotten stuck so that this little spinning turbine couldn't spin, and the little motor then was seized, wasn't able to push that sock through there. So I don't know if this will help anybody or not, but if it does, great. If not, sorry, and good luck trying to find something else wrong with your machine.